Did you say something, Waldo? Waldo? Where's Waldo?
Down here.
What in the animal kingdom?
Hey, it's Waldo. Nice scales.
Waldo, you're an iguana. Why are you an iguana?
Well, I meant to turn into a bird. This key isn't as easy as it looks.
Tell me about it.
But this'll work too. I have a wild idea, everyone. We can use the Become an Animal key to turn ourselves into animals and chase down that frigate bird without disturbing the ecosystem.
That is a wild idea.
But it's the best idea we have. Let's do it.
Okay, everyone. It's time to embrace your wild sides.
You've got it all wrong, Bird. I'm not actually a crab. How many crabs do you know that can talk? Tell you what, you put me down, and I'll give you all the birdseed you can handle. Deal? Aha! Great! As if this day could get any worse! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, it just got worse.
Don't worry, Lulu. I've got you.
Oh, Wenda? But how are you a bird? Oh, the Become an Animal key. Right.
Now we're just gonna get to the beach and change you back. Then... Lulu!
Hold tight, Aunt Lulu. Hillary? Phew. I didn't think that dolphin was ever going to stop spinning. Ah! Spheniscus mendiculus? Return my Grapsis Grapsis at once! I mean, hey, penguin, come back with my crab! Somebody help!
Hey, Waldo.
I'm coming, Aunt Lulu. Hang on. Get ready, Aunt Lulu.
Wait, ready for what? What's happening? Ah!
I got it. I got it. Huh, I actually got it.
Yeah!
What do you know? I actually...
Aunt Lulu!
A purple-footed booby bird?
Maybe we have discovered a new species.
I don't think so.
He's not a purple-footed booby bird.
He's a ferret! Fritzy!
Ouch!
Oops. Sorry about that, Fritz. Hey, Wanderers. Thanks for, saving me back there. I'm sorry about all the trouble I caused.
It's all right, Aunt Lulu. The Galapagos Islands are back to normal again.
And it was actually kind of fun to be an animal for a minute. But it's also good to be back in our regular bodies.
I'll say.
Hey, everyone, come quick!
It's starting!
Aww.
You see, we did find treasure after all.
We sure did, Aunt Lulu.
We sure did.